Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, it's me Aiman Zaidan, and in this opportunity I would like to present about organizing idea by time and space. And as usual, this video was made for basic writing course Simon, which is lectured by Mem Dewi Novita. So, in this opportunity, we're going to discuss about 3 points. There are 3 points that we're going to discuss. So the first one is organizing ideas by time, and the second one is using time order, and the last one is organizing ideas by space. We're going to the first discussion about organizing ideas by time. What is organizing ideas by time? So when we are going to write, we must organize the ideas according to the time order. According to the time order when the event was occurred, when something happened like that. And then we usually use this method when we are going to write a narrative passage where the events are arranged according to the sequence of the scenes. Although we can use flashback, like flashback or flash forward plot, still the existing ideas must be arranged without ignoring the timeline, so that the reader doesn't get confused about the sequence of events that we have wrote. So every story, of course, has the beginning, the middle, and the end. So do not ruin it. Okay, just follow the plot, follow the follow the timeline like that. And then uh, now we're moving to the second discussion. It's about using the time order. So we could organize ideas by time, right? Using time order. So there are two ways to organize the ideas using time order. The first one is by using signal words. Okay, so signal words are used to indicate a sequence of events, indicates the transition from the first occurrence to the second event, and so on. So we could use a signal of words such as first, second, third, finally, and also before, then, next, later. And for preposition, so it is important to use the correct preposition to show the time order relationship. When we are writing a passage, narrative passage, it is important to use preposition, but still be careful to use the right preposition in the right place. So for example, for showing dates, okay, for showing dates, we could use preposition like in for month, like in January, in October, or maybe in February. It's up to you. As long as it's month, we use the preposition in. And then on, we could use preposition on to show days, okay, on Friday, on Saturday, on Monday, on Tuesday. It's up to you. As long as it days, use on. And then we could use at the beginning of December, at the beginning of the year, at the end of the year, like that. And then for showing times, we could use preposition like same like before at, but in here the usage is different. At is in here you to show a specific time like at 5, like this, as you can see on your screen, at 5, at 9:30, at 11, at 12, at 7:30. Okay, we use at. And then we could use at also to show night, at night. Okay, at night, different with morning, afternoon, and I'm sorry, without the, so at night, like that. And then we could use in followed by the, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the night, like that. Okay, and then the last is we could use from and to show the starting of the event, from when to when, like from 6 to 7:30. I have a class from 5 to 8. I have a class from 6 to 7:30, like that. We use from and then to. So I have bold the preposition right here. So as you guys can see, the bold one, the bold font one is the preposition. So now we're going to try write a paragraph, a passage, by using this time order. Okay, let's practice. So as you guys can see on your screen in this left corner, so this is a paragraph, a passage that I have tried to write by using the signal words and using the preposition. And I have marked it. I have leave a mark here. The red one is the signal words, and the blue one is the preposition. Okay, let's read it. Okay, I have a hectic morning activity. First, okay, signal words. First, I have to prepare the breakfast for our family at 5. This isn't that easy. Okay, I have to prepare everything starts from the raw things. Next, I have to clean up the kitchen. Then, I have to take out the trash before the garbage man arrives. Later, I have to watch the kids preparing for school. Finally, after I finish all of those activities, I could enjoy reading my favorite history book while waiting for everyone to come home in the afternoon. While waiting everyone to come home in the afternoon. Okay, here you guys can see the signal words is like first, next, then, later, finally, the right one. And then for the preposition is at 5 in the afternoon. Okay, you guys could change it based on your imagination or maybe based on the reality that you guys show, you guys witness. So you guys could use the right preposition based on this rule. Okay, just in for month, on for days, at for a specific time like at the beginning of December, at the end of the year, like that. And then for times, you guys could use like at for showing specific times like this, just like what we have discussed before, like that. So try practice to write a paragraph by your own by using signal words and preposition. Okay, now we're moving to the last discussion. It's about organizing ideas by space. So sometimes when we are writing, we need to organize the details according to where are they located in space. In the reality, where are they located? To make it easier, okay, let's take a look on this floor plan. Okay, so I have tried to draw a floor plan. How could I pronounce it? Floor plan. Yeah, on floor plan based on the lobby of Raja Ahmad Tabib Hospital. As I could remember, as I remember, it looks like this. Maybe not similar, but at least it is looks like this. So we have to write a passage based on this floor plan. Okay, we could organize our ideas by space like this. Okay, where are the ideas located in space? Okay, we're going to write about the waiting area, registration center, pharmacy, ADM center, like that. So this is the ideas that we're going to write, but it is organized by the space in the real life. Where are they located? Okay. So for to understand this part more, uh, I have tried to write a passage based on this floor plan. Okay, and it looks like this, as you guys can see. Okay. First, we're going to check this passage to see what are the signal of space like that. And then second, we're going to check this passage by looking back to the floor plan that we have seen before. So first, okay, let's see what are the space signal like that. So Raja Ahmad Hospital has a large lobby. As you enter through the main entrance, right in front of you is the information center. On your right, okay, you guys could imagine, on your right is the ATM center. You can access your bank account and take your money over there. In the very right corner of the lobby, there is the registration desk. Between the registration desk and the ATM center, there is a waiting area. Patients and their families waiting for their turn to register over there. You can find the stairs leading to the second floor behind the information desk. Okay, you can imagine there's something behind the information desk and it is the stairs. You can also find a toilet next to the stair. On your left, you can find a pharmacy. In front of the pharmacy, there's another waiting area, but this one is used for people who are waiting for their medicine after handing over the medical prescription from their doctor. Okay, uh, so it is pretty clear. You guys can see on your screen, the red one is the space signal, spatial signals in front of, on your right, in the very right corner, between, behind, in front of, on your left, next to, and there are still many other space signal, not just this, but only this that I have used on my passage. Okay, now to make sure does this passage related to the floor plan that we're talking about by the space that we're talking about. Let's take a look. Let's take a look on the floor plan again. Okay, now I'm going to read the passage that I have wrote, and you guys could check it. Help me to check it. Is my sentences still related to the floor plan or not? Okay, so the situation is this is the lobby of Raja Ahmad Tabib Hospital. So let's start. Raja Ahmad Tabib Hospital has a large lobby. As you enter through the main entrance, right in front of you is the information center. On your right is the ATM center. You can access your bank account and take your money over there. In the very right corner of the lobby, there's a registration desk. Between the registration desk and the ATM center, there's a waiting area. Patients and their families waiting for their turn to register over there. You can find the stairs leading to the second floor behind the information desk. You can also find a toilet next to the stairs. On your left, you can find a pharmacy. In front of the pharmacy, there's another waiting area, but this one is used for people who are waiting for their medicine after handing over the medical prescription from their doctor. Okay, if you guys found any mistake, don't forget to mention it in the comment section below so I could know where or what is my mistake. Okay, I hope that my explanation could be understood by all of you guys. And if you guys have any critics, suggestions, or maybe questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section below. And I think that's all for our discussion for today. Thank you very much for watching and see you in my next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.